The biggest thing holding you back from changing your Etsy store to a real live store with your own unique URL is the process of building a website and importing the products. What if I told you I have the perfect solution for you? For just $20 a month, guys, you can get access to one of the greatest AI tools there is. Everyone's using ChatGPT. Everyone's using the new Google V for free, but you should be using EverBee. This is an AI shop builder for you. Not just that, it can also help you with your marketing campaigns. This is insane. I'm going to show you how to import your Etsy store into EverBee, and in less than 6 minutes, you will have a fully functioning store where you can sell your products all around the world without having to be linked just to Etsy. If this is something that sounds good to you, let's get ready. If it's something that does not sound good to you, you need to watch this video anyway, because AI is taking over, and processes like this used to take 3 months, now take 6 minutes. So even if you just learn that AI is really developing fast, that's my aim today. Guys, get ready. I'm going to show you how to take my Etsy store to EverBee in less than 6 minutes, and you'll see it is perfection. Let's get into it. So you can see here on the homepage of EverBee, all right, it is built for creators and powered by AI, ready for business. And again, I'm going to be diving in, showing you exactly what a website is going to look like after this has been built using the EverBee resources. All right, it's very, very interesting because every single thing you need is here. You can find and create winning products, market them, and then sell them. So there's nowhere else. It's a one-stop platform for everything in the e-commerce space. All right, it's built for ambitious creators like myself. And again, I'm not just going to talk about this. I'm just going to show you the website. I'm going to show you an exact example of how amazing this was for me. Now, whether it's going into building stores, email marketing for creators, and much more, guys, this is for you, trusted by over 1 million creators globally. So what do you say we go in and have a look on how to build the stores today? I'm going to be making a few videos about this, guys, so I'll touch on every single one, but today we're going to be talking about building stores for creators. So it's going to be importing your existing store in minutes if you want to do that. AI does the heavy lifting. You can easily customize the layouts, colors, fonts, all to match your brand, connect directly with Printify to launch and sell print-on-demand products, and an AI-powered creator-friendly store builder that helps you scale faster with no tech skills required. Guys, you do not need to know coding. You don't need to know anything about tech. This will be done for you. So let's dive into this. If you want to rank higher on Google, guys, PrimeLink is our sponsor today, and what they can help you do is get them backlinks ranked higher. Now, doing that by changing ugly links to short links, giving you QR codes, analytics, and much more. It's trusted by all the top marketers, so if you want to get with PrimeLink, there is a link in this description. Go ahead and check it out right now. Let's get back to the video. So you can see here, when you start to build your store, guys, it's going to give you different options. Creating with AI, importing from Etsy, and of course, migrating from Wix. I'm going to actually import this from Etsy because Etsy is an easy way to make your business fly. Now, using the AI tools we have here to import straight from there, it's taken all that work off. I know many people that have gone from Etsy to try and build their Shopify store or any other store straight after. This helps. All right, says you're currently signed in as someone. You got to confirm this, guys. Make sure you are signing in. Okay, I'm going to blur these details just so you can't see my personal details, but I'm going to verify this, sign in myself, all right, and show you how easy this really is. Once you've done that, guys, you just want to click grant access, all right, and you're going to shoot through. Next thing that's going to happen is it's going to start importing your products. So the products from your stores, guys, I've got about 100, I think. They're going to come on, all right? And then you're going to start with your template. So at the template section, you want to make sure you find something that really vibes with your store. They're going to give you 3 different types. Sometimes they actually give you 4, all right? But they're going to give you 3 different types. And of course, I'm going to go with the Etsy style because this is coming straight from Etsy. I don't want to confuse my audience. All right, then you guys, it's going to ask you if you are print on demand or seller or Printify. So again, I'm showing you exactly what they ask. It's very simple questions. You don't need to be a coder. Yes, I am, or no, I don't. All right, you're going to click these and continue through, and it will make sure everything's integrated perfectly for you. Now it's going to create your fully store backend. All right, this is the bit that would have took months and months for coders to do. And I'm doing this in real time. This is not fast forwarded. This is not, you can see the time in the bottom right. This is actual real time of designing and setting up the store. It's 80% ready. It just said then, all right, homepage is getting built. Everything is coming together in a few clicks. Now look at this. This is now the beginning of the website. Again, we can go through the color palette, decide what color we want the buttons, decide what color we want everything, but there's no coded needed. I don't need to go in and learn tech to change the size of the writing or the font of the writing or whether I want the corners to be round or point. It's simple click and play. And then you can go to your dashboard guide and watch this. Watch how this loads. This has took me less than 2 minutes. and this store is pretty much done. We're at the setup guide now, guys, all right? So if you want to chat to the support, you can, but going through the setup guides, all I've got to do is get all the products, make sure they're imported correctly, and then check them on. Now you can see in all the digital files, this is the digital products that I'm going to be putting in. So the digital products without files, you can see it will show you saying these do not have the right attached files. So you want to put these in yourself. All right, I can go to my downloads, I can go to my pictures, I can upload these myself with the digital art and add them in. Okay, this is very, very good from EverBee because they will tell you if they could have just uploaded these files themselves, but there is stuff they need. And it's not going to ask you in a code again saying, hey, you need to work this out and work this, what is going wrong here? Why is this gone? It's just going to say, we don't have the support files for this, please upload it. Very simple. Okay, and if you do that, you are going to move on to the next step pretty quickly. All right, once you do that, you can see where it says published and matched, all right, or linked. This means that it is already working on it, whether it's finished or not. You can see matched or linked. If it's linked, it means it is completely linked to your store right now. You could go on your store on the URL and you will see this product live. So that's how you do that, guys. It's very, very easy, all right? Once you go to the product section, you're actually going to see these products inside saying whether they're published or not. So all of mine are published. Okay, I can re-import products from Etsy. So if I've added more into Etsy maybe last week that I didn't import, it will re-import them for me. Then coming up again if you need to add any more data. Very, very easy. All right, so this is how easy it is to go from Etsy to here, guys. I know it's been a pain for most people, but right now it is the easiest it could be. Now, it's very simple if you want to change any of the product information, guys. All right, you can click on one of the products, all right, and you can go in and change the description, the data, anything you want. And you can change this specifically just for the EverBee store, all right? So I can go into the digital art for sellers. I can change what I want to do, and it won't affect my Etsy listing because I'll make it specific to this store, all right? It's really, really cool because now I can utilize making sure the audience that comes to this website and that comes to my Etsy are using their own experience, okay? I don't need to just one-page post everything like people always recommend. All right, so I can do this. I can edit as much as I want. I can put them into collections. So if you want to go on the summer collection of digital products, if you want to go into the making 1K above section, I can do that as well. All right, this is section 1. I can change this as much as I like. In the designer section, guys, which we're in right now, you're going to see when this loads up, you're actually going to see this at an overview of the entire site. So now you can finally see it coming together. We got our homepage, we've got the products on here, there's prices, the discounts we want. Okay, obviously I've done this for what now? 4 minutes. Okay, so we could really go into this. This is at full screen. This is the product. We can now officially start selling products on the EverBee store. I can send this URL to people and they'll be able to buy. All right, whether it's inserting text, buying your own hoodies, it doesn't matter. Okay, these are just products that I'm using from my Etsy store. But look at this. This website is built. This website is built. It needs a little tweak of some of the things I want to add to it to make it more, but this is better than 99% of people could ever make on their own. And that's all from just using the AI-powered store built for you guys. That's importing Etsy. Again, I'm going to be making way more videos on this so you can start to see how you want to do it, all right? But you don't have to use the import Etsy. It's just something that I really, really believe is insane. And the pricing for this, guys, is next level, all right? You'll probably watch this whole video and think, how am I going to afford something that amazing? Well, guys, it's not. It's not pricing that you would believe is expensive for what you just saw. I want you to tell me exactly the truth. How much would you have paid for that website that you just saw then? Maybe you don't think it's expensive. Maybe you say $500, $1,000. This is going to cost you $274 a month for the top tier. That's the top tier. If you just want to get in there, guys, with the essentials like I just showed you, it's only $20 a month. That's insane. $240 a year, guys. You couldn't get this website built for you in 4 minutes for less than $2,000. Now, I'm telling you that, okay? This is insane. So if you want to get involved with this price, you're going to get everything that you can see listed here. It's absolutely insane. It's super, super cheap. And you do not want to be left out in the dark finding website developers that are spending 3 months making your website when EverBee can do it in 4 minutes. For one store, guys, $20. That's absolutely insane. I just did it then and showed you. So there is no beating around the bush of how good this is. There you go, guys. Let me know if you like this. I'm going to show you much more from EverBee. Okay, I actually want to make a whole campaign of videos on this, so make sure you stay tuned. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. The link's down below to get involved with EverBee right now. Get going with this AI.